everyone, let's do today's daily Litko challenge question. It is easy and I'm happy about that because I will finish it quickly. Sum of digits of a string after convert. So what is the question? Let's just try the input first. Okay, you are given an s consisting of lowercase English letters, okay, and integer k. Find convert as into an integer by replacing each letter with its position in the alphabet. Find convert as for a first convert as into an integer by replacing into an integer. First convert as into an integer by replacing each letter with its position in the alphabet. Okay, a with 1, b with 2. Interesting. Then transform the integer by replacing it with the sum of its digits. Okay, repeat the transform operation k times in total. For example, if s is equal to zbax, then it will be 26 to 1 24. Okay, and then 26 20 to 1 24, and I would have to add everything 17, and I would have to transform it 2 times. Okay, interesting. It's easy. So I, what is I is 9, right? So it will be 9 9 9 9. So I just have to add it 1 time. 9 4s are 36. Suppose if it was 2 times, then it would have been 9. If it was 3 times, then it would have been 9 only, because I already have 1 digit. And if it is LeetCode, then it would be L. So this is the thing, and it would be 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0 plus 33, and then 33 plus 3, it would be 6. 6 would be the answer. Example 3. So for this one, k is equal to output should be 8. Okay, s can go up to 100 and k from 1 to 10. S consists of lowercase English letters. Okay, I'm thinking about brute force solution. I can just do how this example did it, right? I can just convert this one and then add it with in loop. So that is my brute force approach. Since it is a string, so I can just replace that. So since it is I, suppose if it is I is 9, 12, L is suppose if there are 2 L, then L means 20, 12. So it would be 1 2. So since this is a string, so I think the string is not mutable, so I think I need to change it into, or do I even need to change? I can just build a new string, right? Yeah, I can just build a new string and I can say, okay, s is 1 2, I is 1 2, and then L is 1 2. So if it is L then the 1 2, I can just build a new string and add to that string 1 2 1 2, and at last add everything. So that would take O of n. Time complexity. So this is my brute force approach. Okay, just creating a string. So after I create this string, then I can just add it 1 2 1 2. I can just add it. Suppose if it is 36, then I can just create another string and then again add it multiple times. And if a string length is greater than 1, only if string length is greater than, if it is equal to 1, then less than or equal to 1, then just return, So this is one approach. What is another approach? Lit code I k equals to 2. Is there another approach which I can do with less than of n solution? I don't know, like LLL is 12, so it will be 12. L will be 12, 12, 12. I need to add all the numbers with each other. So adding all the numbers, no, I think it should be of n, because I need to add all the numbers. I don't think there is any other way than this. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, I can just write a function where function add all numbers, and there will be a string, and then for string I need to add all the numbers, right? Okay, so let's just assume that this will return a number. This will return a string. I need to return a string, right? Resulting integer. Okay, I need to return integer then. Okay, so let's suppose that this will return a string, not integer, and at last I can just say that return result dot to integer or something, because it is a string, right? So function as k, so s and k, what I said was str is equal to empty, and then for constant character of s, I need to add, right? String is equal to string plus what is the number I need to find out. Number will be equal to character of, so how will I find the number equivalent to that? Character code of something, right? Character code at 0 minus a dot, so a will be 0, a will be 1, so it means if a will be 1, then I need to start from 1 then. So this will be my character code. So if it is a, then it will be 1. If it is b, then it will be 2, that way. So string, this is the thing, right? Character code at 0. Okay, since this is a character position, so I'm just doing, this would be an integer. So and string is equal to string plus num. So this would return me what? A dot character code at 0. Why is it not written anything? Oh, okay, spelling is mistake. Character coded, okay. And if a is equal to 1, then a plus 1a. Okay, so string plus integer will return string, so that's good. So once I get this string, now I need to loop through it k times, right? So for 0 is less than plus plus because I need to do it k times from 0. So if k is equal to 1, then I will do it one time. So what I need to do is I need to add all numbers and then pass string, and my string will be equal to this one, but only if string's length, if string length is greater than 1, you know. If string length is less than or equal to 1, then I should just return string immediately. Oh no, then I should just break. Otherwise I should just add all numbers from a string. Yeah, and so this will be my final string. Then I need to return it as integer. So how do I convert string to integer? I don't know that. So if it is 1 1, then how do I convert to integer? Percent or something, or number? Or what about number? Okay, so I need to add all numbers now. It should be easy, right? So constant let a is equal to sum is equal to 0 in the beginning, and constant shades of string. I need to add everything. So sum will be equal to sum plus number of character, and then return sum dot to string, I guess. 11 dot to string. How can I convert number to string, or do I even need to convert a number to, do I even need that? Can I just return number? Can I just return string is equal to that numbers. So 11 dot length. I cannot even do string dot length. So think how can I convert a number to string? Maybe doing this plus like that. But there must be some better way. Yay! Yeah, there must be some better way. Let's look at the solution. String concatenation to summation, approach 1. Yeah, and approach 2, direct integer operation. But time complexity is same, right? Oh, space complexity is of 1 if I do direct, because here I'm saving Java Python. So this is what I did. K is greater than or equal to 0, then I did this. Convert the final string to integer. This is exactly what I did. But direct integer conversion, this is a better solution. Let's look at the solution. For the time complexity is same, yeah, but this is very funny. The solution explanations are inconsistent. Approach 2. So what did they do here in approach 2? Intuition. So what is the intuition here? Instead of converting the letters of the string to integers and combining them using string concatenation, we can simplify the process by summing their values directly as we iterate through the given string. What? Converting the letters of the string to integers. Okay, as we iterate through the given string. Yeah, actually that's what I was thinking in the beginning also. instead of instead of creating a new string, right, um I can just do a sum while I'm going through the string in the beginning only. Suppose if it is LLL 12 12 12, then I can just do 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus, but even if I do that 36, I need to store 36 somewhere, right? Summing their values directly as we iterate through the given string. Next we'll sum the digits of the integer k times. But do you mean that it does not take any, so it means that so this is LLL, and I will just, instead of creating a new string, I will just add add all the digits as I go through the string and save it as an integer. So if I save it as an integer, it will not take off n time because it is just one integer. Given that k as minimum value and s can be up to, the maximum possible sum for each character's position in the alphabet is 9. Given that k has a minimum value of 1 and the input string s can be up to 100 characters long, k has a minimum value of 1. Maximum possible sum for each character's position in the alphabet is 9. After the transmission, number size is reduced significantly, allowing us to efficiently perform further operations. Thus, after one digit sum transformation, the sum will be limited to maximum of 1900. Iterate through each character ch in s, convert ch to its corresponding numerical position in the alphabet. Ch to its corresponding numerical position in the alphabet. While position is greater than 0 at the last digit to the current number, remove the last digit from the position. This is a good solution. Apply digit sum transformations k minus 1 times. Yeah, this is a good solution. Why did I not think about that? I mean, I was about to think about that, I guess, but I did not give enough time. I just rushed to the solution. I actually, the reason that I did not think of this, because I just thought about time complexity only, and I knew that I had to go through all the integers, so I just thought of time complexity only. I didn't think of space complexity. So from next time I should also think of how I can improve space complexity, not just time complexity, because clearly here we did not need to store things in integer, in string. I can just go through the integer and just find the sum of all the digits in the integer. So yeah, saving in different string, that was not required. Okay, thank you everyone, bye.